Raw vegan churros. Are you craving sugar but you don't know how to satisfy your sweet tooth? These are the best, simple, healthy dessert that you can ever think of. You can make it at home in just a few minutes and it's delicious, low fat, high in phytochemicals. It's the best raw vegan dessert you ever tasted. For sure, churros are not usually known in America. Here in Brazil, they're quite famous. I think they're Spanish or Central America. But churros is churros. But this one is better because it's not fried, it doesn't have flour or sugar. So stay there until the end to learn more. Hi, I'm Dr. Eduardo Corassa, a clinical nutritionist from Brazil that has saved his own life through lifestyle medicine called natural hygiene. And also, I'm happy to announce that 4 of my 10 books published in Portuguese are now translated to English and available on ebook and print on demand. So the hygienic fasting, nature surgery, the anti-cancer diets, the lifestyle that fights cancer, the Eden's diets, the guide to raw frugivorism, the original diets, and natural delicacies, cooking without a stove are the perfect start for your new health journey, for a healthier, better, more longevity version of you. And unfortunately, because I teach lifestyle medicine, the podcast doesn't have any sponsors because there's no money in producing health. There's money in supplements, there's money in therapies, surgeries, treatments, but teaching lifestyle medicine, there is no company wanting to sponsor us. So I ask for your help for free. You can comment below, share the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button for notification. You help YouTube to deliver more our content to you and to other people. And I also provide consultations online and in private sessions. There is the Raw Food Detox Retreats here January and July in Rio de Janeiro. 4 blocks from a beautiful beach, a tennis court on the yard, 350 rare fruit trees, and the best education on lifestyle medicine in the world, in my humble, if I dare to say. And also 6 online courses, but they're still in Portuguese. So if you want to help the work grow, to help other people, and also help yourself, I highly suggest you to go in the description below for our website or for our WhatsApp. I will ask our editor to put here the recipes from the retreat. Besides the culinary, there's the practical application and also the scientific lectures. I hope you like the video. Check this out. The best raw vegan churros you ever could imagine. Yes, not many people know churros because it's a Spanish recipe. I don't know, it's quite popular here in Brazil. People love it, but it's full of flour, sugar, fried oil. It's really an unhealthy dessert, but it's pretty popular. So I don't think in America and in the UK churros are popular, but this is easy, simple, raw, homemade, plant-based, almost 80-10-10 natural hygiene recipe because a little bit more fat, but it's delicious to serve to children, for people that are adopting the diet. You have the caramel on the top that it's going to give the bananas more flavor. You have the peanuts that will give a little bit more fat, and the cinnamon. So adding everything together, it makes a better, tastier version of banana. And it's almost a churros without the oil and frying, but we don't want any unhealthy substance. So this is the healthier version. So how much would you try one of these? How much do you want to try one of these? And please, if you do the recipe, take a picture and tag me on Instagram so I can know that you like it. So for our raw vegan churros, we will need dulce de leche. I already have taught this recipe here on the channel. I ask of you to click the description below or in the cards, or even search dulce de leche Dr. Corassa and you will find this recipe. But it's pretty simple, plain dates, avocado and papayas. So after you make the filling of the churros, we are going to make the crust of the churros and our churros, instead of being a lot of wheat flour and pastry and fried and baked and oil and sugar and flour, we're just going to use bananas as churros. Check this idea because it's so simple and so delicious and so creative. You need a bunch of bananas. Here I have probably 10, but you can have more, you can have less. But the idea is not to have too ripe bananas, or else you're not going to manage to fill the churros and to manage the churros because the banana will melt in your hands. So we need the dulce de leche, around 10 Cavendish not too ripe bananas, and 60 or 100 grams of peanuts, raw peanuts with the skin, with the peel and not the skin, okay? Not unhulled peanuts, and a lot of cinnamon, pure cinnamon. So we are using the food processor, the S blade. This blade you need, we're just going to prepare the food processor, and then you throw in the cinnamon and the peanuts. We're going to use all the peanuts. So I'm going to get a plate or a bowl that is actually elevated, but it can fit my bananas. I will fill like 3 bananas in here, and then I'm going to throw my cinnamon peanut crumble in here. See what I'm doing? After having stick the crumble on the bananas, I'm going to take out the banana and get a syringe. So what is the trick? Pretty easy and simple. This is actually an instrument not to vaccinate you or anything like that. This is an instrument to fill chicken's ass with the filling. That's how we use it here in Brazil for something like Thanksgiving. We don't have Thanksgiving over here, but we have Christmas and New Year's that we usually eat turkey. So people fill turkeys with, this syringe. Although people's behavior or filling that animal's butts with a lot of stuff, it's quite creepy and like strange for me. We are going to be filling churros with a culinary syringe. You can also, after putting inside of the churros, you can put it on the top of the churros as well, or you can also actually take a piece out of the churros. This is a raw vegan churros healthy version. So I'm going to inject the front part of the churros and the back part of the churros as well. So there's a lot of caramel inside. So this is another way. Instead of trying to fill the banana with the dulce de leche, we are going to decorate the dulce de leche on top of the churros, but with a culinary syringe. I find it out the name of these kind of rings, but it's for making cupcakes and things like that, right? It's a cake decorator, and then we do like this. Different ways for kids to eat bananas, to present them and to serve them in a party or something like that. And if you have adding some dates to the peanut cinnamon crumble, we will also give a lot of taste to the banana itself. You can add like 5 to 6 dates, or else if you add too much, you end up getting a truffle instead of a crumble. But the idea is not to create a different recipe, it's just to make the crumble more sticky and more sweet. Check this out, banana raw vegan churros. Can you get better than this? No way. This is delicious, highly nutritious, and it's almost 80-10-10, whole food, plant-based, and you know, almost a hygiene meal. How much desire is you at the moment to eat one of these? And if you do this recipe, please take a picture and tag me on Instagram. So check this out, baby. Oh yeah. So if you like the video and you like our work, please don't forget to share the video, comment below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notification. And also, if you want my help as a clinical nutritionist, I can help you through consultation, online and in private sessions. My 4 published books, you can access them through the links below. And also, come for a retreat in Brazil here with us, and there's the online courses that will still be translated to English. And if you also want to help our work, you can become a member of the channel for a small donation every month. Click these videos to know more, and remember, health is produced by healthful living. Much frugal health. See you next time.